What's up guys, Sean here from Srkcycles.com, and I'm answering your questions. The question for today, it was how do I calm my nerves when I'm trying to learn how to ride in a very heavily populated city? My answer to that one is you need some nice calming herbal tea to calm you. Now, while you're riding, you shouldn't be trying to learn how to ride in a populated city. That's like asking me the question, I'm about to strap some meat to my chest and then go swimming with sharks. How do I calm my nerves? What's going on is your nerves are the only sane thing in your body that's telling you that's a dumb idea. It's dangerous what you're learning how to do. One, it's dangerous enough to be riding in cities like that. But two, to not know what you're doing. It's not only dangerous for yourself, it's also dangerous for other people. Not only is it dangerous for other people, it's also dangerous for your bike, which is the most important person. So this is what you want to do. You want to go into a parking lot. If you do not ride anywhere that you don't feel comfortable riding. If you don't feel comfortable riding on the highway, then maybe you shouldn't be ready for the highway. You want to jump on the highway when you're comfortable riding and you've been riding on the back roads and you feel very comfortable on it. Same thing with riding in a very populated, heavy traffic city. If you don't feel comfortable doing it, don't do it. Go out to a parking lot, spend a lot of time in the parking lot, learn maneuvers, learn how to start, learn how to stop, and then go out into the suburbs and drive in a development. And just be safe, be comfortable, go to classes, learn how to ride, but do not be pushing your boundaries of comfort in that way, especially when you're a new rider. I hope that answers the question. We will see you guys next time. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below and I will try to answer them. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This video is brought to you by M1 Moto products. With the M1 Moto gloves, one of the only motorcycle gloves that's lined with Kevlar.